I'm filming.
You're making an action video? What? I'm doing sound effects. Wind. Are you doing like an earth? Fire. I'm trying to learn something. What is this? Oh, this video? Have you seen this whole video?
I can do it.
I see you putting eyelashes on.
Yeah.
And I see the struggle. You don't have to hire 4 or 5 people to do this video?
No, you don't.
Yeah, there's a kit on eBay. It comes with a photographer, a background, a red light. I will give you $100 if you finish this video before Christmas. There's no chance. Close the windows on this, you're wasting time. Just print it. Stick it on your face like I do. It's so much easier. Try to put a bunch of emojis and maybe that'll work. You have no idea. I'm saving you 6,452 hours of your life. You can fly to Thailand where that girl did this video. It'll be cheaper and quicker. Just go to Thailand.